My name is Meg Markarian, and I'm a graduate assistant with the IU Indianapolis Graduate School and the University Writing Center. This is part 2 of how to write a scholarship essay that addresses the prompt and maintains your voice. If you haven't seen part 1, go ahead and stop this video, go to the link below, and find that video. In that video, I cover how to address the prompt, and specifically how to utilize scholarship writing not just as an act that maybe you do once or twice, but as a true skill to add to your repertoire. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to maintain your voice in a scholarship essay. Specifically, how to remain unique and authentic while applying for scholarships. Let's get started. So how do you find your voice? Your voice is composed of a lot of parts. It's your tone or your mood. It's your diction or your word choice. It's your syntax, aka your sentence structure or your sentence patterns, and any other stylistic devices that convey personality. Voice can also be broken down into an equation. It's what the person thinks or talks about plus how they say it. So how should you find your voice? Sometimes it's easier to think about what or how you wouldn't write. In scholarship writing, answer these questions to help you find your voice. Do I write mostly long, compound, complex sentences, or do I write mostly short, punchy, simple sentences? Do I prefer poetic, lyrical descriptions, or ones grounded in only the senses, sight, taste, touch, smell, or hearing, without abstract language? Am I always searching for a new word to try, or constantly hunting for the perfect word? Or do I stick to what I know, maybe using a thesaurus, synonym finder every now and then? Finally, when thinking about a scholarship, do I typically consider my financial needs first or my accolades? Which do I usually discuss first in an essay? Let's talk about writing for the audience. So you found your voice. You figured out how you sound in a scholarship essay. Maybe you sound very authoritative and sure of yourself. So you utilize that throughout the entire essay. Or maybe you sound a little bit more whimsical and you allow for some more meaning with your words. Whichever it is, no matter how you write, you have to consider who your audience is. Audiences for scholarship essays can include admissions faculty, the university board members, future mentors in your discipline, members of a nonprofit board, future professors, and more. For these audiences, it is vital for you to maintain a voice that is both authentic and appropriate. For instance, you probably shouldn't write as if you're talking to your best friend in your scholarship essay, but you should write as if you're talking to a trusted mentor. So, consider these questions when thinking of your audience. What kind of person is this scholarship looking for? Am I the right fit for this, or should I continue searching for a scholarship? What kind of image am I trying to project of myself? A creative one, a professional one, a responsible one, or a combination thereof? What parts of my academic and/or professional career best demonstrate this? Am I attempting to write to sound like someone I'm not? This last one is really important. A scholarship essay, or the person who is considering your scholarship essay, isn't going to want somebody who is behaving as if they're not who they are. They're going to want somebody who's authentic and sure of themselves. So consider this last question very carefully. Are you attempting to write to sound like someone you are not? This was a short one, so if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to the University Writing Center or the IU Graduate Office. If you're looking for additional writing help, please make an appointment at the Writing Center today at iuindy.mywconline.com. If you're a graduate student and in need of some writing accountability, take a look at the Grad JAG Writers Workshop in the link below. Thank you so much.